Oh,
I've got it.
oh, oh. Right, so as it's bonfire night, we decided to do another one of these specials where normally we'd obviously like to put a full display on, but considering the sort of premise of our channel is drones, we thought we'd do something with a drone.
Yeah, we thought we'd decide to incorporate fireworks and a drone together. You couldn't think of anything better than that, could we?
If everything goes to plan, it should be pretty special, so fingers crossed.
We've got a few little special things we're lined up that we're going to do with the drone, but I'm sure you'll know, even with the thumbnail of the actual video, that what we've got lined up is going to be pretty special. So yeah, look forward to this one.
Yeah. So we've arrived at the chosen location, and the weather's not perfect, but we are in the UK. We'll never forget that. So yeah, it's going to be good, isn't it, mate?
Yeah, we've got ourselves an ice drone. It's a cheapo thing that we found on eBay, but it seems to do the job. The idea we've got with the drone this time round is we want to do a few different things with it. Obviously Mark doesn't know everything that we're doing at the moment, but the idea I've got is first we want to take the drone up and have like a fountain on it, so it's like a nice fountain effect.
Right, right.
And then what we want to do is we'll land the drone.
This is as new to me as it is to you, believe me.
And then it's going to get better, honestly.
Right.
Then what we're going to do is we're going to land the drone, and then I want to turn the drone itself into a Catherine wheel. But I don't want the Catherine wheel to be on the drone, I want the whole drone to be a Catherine wheel. So what we've done, we've got some rockets, and we're going to strap the rockets to the actual drone, and then send it up, and fingers crossed the whole thing will spin, and then hopefully it'll stop and upright itself, or it's going to crash.
It's got a gyro in it, so it's not got GPS hold, so it's one of them. If it can right itself, I'm going to be impressed. I really am. But we'll see. It should be stable.
Yeah, we're going to see what happens. But the finale, the final piece, is going to be, we're going to send the drone up. We're going to shove a rocket in its arse, as far into its depths as it possibly can. And we're going to light it and just say goodbye, really. This
poor drone, it's done nothing to deserve this, but it's going to have one hell of a send-off. It's going to get unboxed and then one hell of a send-off within a few minutes, really. So it's going to be a shock to it.
So yeah, that's what we're going to do. Can't see any of the lights on. Oh. It definitely works. Right, I'm going to keep this still here. Oh, we're going. I'm losing this. I've crashed it.
You crashed it?
I'm thinking something like this.
This is going to go terribly. There's no explosion with this.
I think there is at the end, but it's not going to be enough to do anything to it. They normally just go. What's going to be the thing with this one is just the amount of thrust. That's on. If it's on NASA standards, I don't know, but it's on. That's it, hold them both together, mate. To make sure both are lit. Not lit, try and that's it. Ready? Go. Ready? Oh shit, careful. Things we do for fun, eh? Right then, I think it's time to say goodbye to the seamer. The wind.
It's alright, mate.
It's off.
I've got it.
Oh, it's off.
Holy shit.
It's gone. It's off.
I've got it. Holy shit. There's a fire, mate.
Is there? What do you think, mate?
There's shit everywhere, mate. It sounded like a shotgun going off, and I can't believe it. All that happened, it just exploded, and then all I could see was just a flame, and that's it.
Is there a drone, do you think?
I don't think there's a drone left. I think that the drone has completely disappeared, sort of vaporised.
Right, we're off to check for debris.
And obviously we don't like to litter, so what we find, we will collect.
Ah, this is it. This is where it happened. Oh my God.
There's part of it, there's part of it.
My God. There's one prop here, one prop there, one there. Oh my.
That's a decent debris field, isn't it? Poor thing didn't know what hit it.
I don't think it's going to fly anymore, mate.
So here she is. What remains?
Oh, that is unbelievable, isn't it? This was the table it originally started on. Now, there's just bits everywhere. Do you even call it a drone anymore?
Give me 45 minutes and some duct tape.
We can get it working again. Well, most of the props are still in place. That is incredible. So that was it. That was our Bonfire Night special. Hope you enjoyed that one. As always,
Stay safe, and we'll see you soon.